In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Timeline. By the end, you'll know how to open the timeline view on a board, adjust dates directly on the timeline, mark work complete, add labels for visual organization, switch between timescales, group your view to see work by list or label, and share the view with others. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello's homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your boards. On the home screen, look for the Boards option. Click it to see all the boards you have access to. Choose any board you're actively using. I'll reference a simple Tasks to Do style board for this walkthrough, but you can pick whatever fits your workflow. Once your board is open, look near the board title for a button labeled Views. This is where Trello collects different ways to visualize your work beyond the standard Kanban board. Click Views, and from the menu that appears, select Timeline. If you're new to this, the timeline view shows cards on a calendar-style horizontal timeline based on their dates, which is great for planning and spotting conflicts. If you don't immediately see cards, make sure the cards on your board have due dates or start dates. Timeline uses those to place each card. Now let's interact with the timeline. Click a card, for example something like Study Algebra, and grab the right edge of its bar to extend its date. When you drag an edge, Trello sets start and end dates, giving the card a defined duration. This is helpful for tasks that span multiple days. Next, try moving another task, say Study Science, by clicking and dragging the entire bar to a different day. This reschedules the card without opening it, which is perfect for quick adjustments. If you finish something, you can mark it complete right from the timeline. Hover over a card and click the small circle indicator next to it. That will mark the task as done, giving you instant visual feedback without leaving the view. To add context to a card, click it to open its details. In the card window, find Labels. Labels help you categorize work with color and, optionally, text. Click Labels, then choose a color that matches your system, maybe green for school, blue for planning, or red for urgent. Apply the color, and you'll see it reflected on the card's timeline bar, making it easier to scan. When you're finished, close the card by clicking the X at the top right of the card window to return to the timeline. Let's explore timescales. At the top of the timeline, switch to week to see a clear, one-week window that balances detail with context. Then change it to day for a close-up view when you need precision scheduling, like fitting tasks into a tight time frame. After that, go back to week so you can plan ahead while still keeping daily commitments in sight. You can also change how the timeline groups cards, which helps you understand workload from different angles. Choose to group by list to stack your timeline rows by the lists on your board, like to do, doing, and done, so you can see how work progresses. Then switch to label to group by label categories. This is great for seeing, for example, all school-related tasks in one cluster and all personal tasks in another, even if they live in different lists. When you're ready to share this view, click Share near the top of the timeline. You can send it to teammates or clients so they see the same schedule you're seeing, which helps align expectations and cut down on back and forth. And that's it. With these actions, you can confidently plan, adjust, and communicate your schedule using Trello's timeline view.